Good morning. Today we'll do multiples. What are multiples? When two or more numbers are multiplied, the product is called the multiple of each of those numbers. In other words, we can say that the table of any number is called multiple of that number. 5.1 question E. Question F. Write the multiples of, first is 12 less than 60. It means we have to find out multiples of 12. The number should be less than 60. You know multiples? Multiples are just like tables. You have to write tables of 12. Multiples of 12 will be 12, 24, 36, 48. We have to write less than 60. Less than 60. So we will not take 60. हमें 60 से नीचे लिखने हैं तो we will not write 60. We'll write table of 12. 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24, 3s are 36, 4s are 48. These are multiples of 12 less than 60. Question 2. 50 multiples of, we have to write multiples of 15 less than 50. Multiples of 15 less than 50. 1s are, 2s are, 3s are. 4s are 60. So we will not take 60. So multiples of 15 will be 15, 30 and 45. These are less than 50. Third, multiples of 4 that are greater than 40 but less than 60. We have to write multiples of 4 जो 40 से बड़े हैं और 60 से छोटे. You know multiples of 4? 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28, 32, 36, 40. 4 tens are 40. All these are less than 40, but we have to take greater than 40 and less than 60. So 11 4s are 44, 4 11s are 44, 4 12s are 48, 4 13s are 52, 4 14s are 56, 4 15s are 60, 4 16s are 64. So, or you can add 4 4 4. 40 plus 4 44, 44 plus 4 48, plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. We have to take multiples of 4 that are greater than 40 but less than 60. So multiples of 4 will be 44, 48, 52, 56. These are the multiples of 4 which are greater than 40 but less than 60. This is the answer. Okay, now next question 4. Multiples of 6 that are greater than 60 but less than 85. Now in this case you have to write multiples that are greater than 60 means 60 से बड़े होने चाहिए और 85 से छोटे. 6 10s are 60 होता है, so we will take 6 11s are 66, 6 12s are 72, 6 13s are 78, 6 14s are 84. These are multiples of 6. देखो 6 1s are 6 2s are 12 आपको ये सब आता है. 6 9s are 54, 6 10s are 16. उसके बाद अगर आपको टेबल नहीं है तो यू कैन ऐड 6. 6 11s are 66. आप 66 में प्लस 6 करेंगे 72 आ जाएगा. ऐड 6 6 78, ऐड 6 84 will come. We have to write less than 85. तो stop at 84. तो multiples of 6 will be 66, 72, 78, 84. These multiples are greater than 60 but less than 85. Clear? Question G. Write T for true or F for false. 27 is a multiple of 4. क्या 27 4 के टेबल पे आता है? No. 4 7s are 28. It is false. 35 is a multiple of 5. Yes. So it is true. 49 is a multiple of 7. 7 7s are 49. Yes, it is true. 86 is a multiple of 8. No, it is false. 86 8 के टेबल पर नहीं आता. Clear? Now exercise 5.2. We'll do question 1 and 2 in book and question 3 we will do in notebook.
Take
now we will learn how we will find out common multiples. Multiples तो आपको आते हैं. Multiples are just like tables. We will now learn how we will find out common multiples. Tick the circles above the numbers that are multiples of 3. Tick the circles below the numbers that are multiples of 6. हमने टिक करना है जो 3 के मल्टीपल्स आते हैं उनको ऊपर टिक करना है. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6, 3 3 जा 9, 3 4 जा 12, 3 5 जा 15. Okay, 3 6 जा 18. Now we have to tick those are multiples of 6. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18. Now what are common multiples of 3 and 6? कि नंबर पे टिक ऊपर भी हो रहा है नीचे भी हो रहा है. जिसमें ऊपर नीचे दोनों पे टिक हो रहा है दैट आर कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. जो 3 के टेबल और 6 के टेबल दोनों पे आते हैं वो नंबर कौन से हैं? लुक एट 6. इट इज अ मल्टीपल ऑफ 3. इट इज ऑल्सो मल्टीपल ऑफ 6. तो 6 इज द आंसर इज 6. ओके. एंड 12. 12 also come in table of 3 and 6. 12. And 18. 18. These numbers 6, 12, 18 are common multiples of 3 and 6 both. ये दोनों tables पर आते हैं. Okay. Question B. Use the number line to find the common multiples of 2 and 4. First you will circle the common multiples of 2. First you will circle the multiples of 2. 2 1 जा 2. 2 2 जा 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. Now you can use another color for finding the multiples of 4. I am taking pen. 4 1 जा 4, 8, 12. So now what numbers are common? 4, 8, 12. It means 4, 8 and 12 are common multiples of 2 and 4. 4, 8 and 12 are common multiples of 4 and 2. Okay, now question 3. Question 2. 3 and 4. Same way, first you will circle the multiples of 3. 3, 6, 9, 12, 15. Now multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12. There is only one common multiple, that is 12. That is 12. Only in this number line 12 is common multiple of 3 and 4. Only 12. So answer will be 12. Common multiple will be 12. Answer will be 12. Okay, next question. Write the first 10 multiples of the following pairs of numbers, then find of the common multiples of each pair. 2 and 3. 2 and 3. First I will find out multiples of 2. Multiples of 2 are 2, 4, 6. We have to write 10 multiples. So I will write counting till 10. Tables till 10. 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Now multiples of 3 are 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, 24, 27, 30. Now you have to find out common multiples. Common multiples. The numbers, the multiples which comes in both tables. जो common होते हैं, जो दोनों में होते हैं, that are called common. जो दोनों में होते हैं. Check 2 दोनों में है? No. 3 है? No. 4 है? No. 6 is common. Yes. Next 12 is common. 18 is common. So what are common multiples? 6, 12, 18. Next question number 2, 5 and 10. First we will find out multiples of 5. 10 multiples. Now I will write multiples of 10 till 10. What will be common multiples of 5 and 10? Find out common multiples. 10 is common, 20 is common, 30 No. 30 is common, 40 is common, 50 is common. So common multiples will be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. 7 and 8. First you will write multiples of 7, then you will write multiples of 8, multiples of 8, so what are common multiples? 7 is not common, 21 is not common, 32 is not common. So what is common? 56. 56. Only 56 is common multiple. So common multiple of 7 and 8 is 56. बेटा चेक केयरफुली देखो कॉमन मल्टीपल्स. फर्स्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल इज 6, तो आगे जितने भी कॉमन मल्टीपल्स होगा ना वो टेबल होगा. 6 1 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 6 3 जा 18. सेम वे कॉमन मल्टीपल 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, it is also table of 10. Okay, now your homework is complete exercise 5.1 and do exercise 5.2. Okay, bye bye, have a nice day.